Hi, welcome back to creating a basic MVC framework with PHP, and this is part 6 and we're going to look at the request. So to handle requests we're going to need to do a bit of URL rewriting. So the requests are going to come in like controller, method, then args, just random text, and obviously that will leave folders. So what we're going to do is, because I'm using Apache, we're going to do mod rewrite, but if you're doing on a different sort of server, you're going to want to check out Google or something. So to start off, we're going to need to make sure that rewrite module is on. So in one, we'll go to Apache modules, if I find the rewrite module. There it is. Okay, so we'll wait for it to refresh. So to do mod rewrite, we need to create a htaccess file in the same folder as our index.php. So tab new.htaccess. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not very good at this, so so I'll just do some very basic rewriting. What I'll do. So we're going to do rewrite engine on. We're going to do rewrite cond, which is a condition. So as long as the request underscore file name, as long as it doesn't equal dash file. As long as the request doesn't equal a file, then we'll rewrite. So we'll do rewrite rule. And rewrite rule needs a regular expression, so we're going to do, so match everything from the beginning. So we're going to do a group, so we want everything from the beginning till $, which means the end. So grab everything from the beginning to the end, and what we're going to do is we're going to append it to index.php $1. Okay, so that should be all. So then let's just get rid of all this at the bottom. Let's just pre-out our request URI. Okay. So everything's getting routed to our index.php now, so we've got controller, method, or arguments, the rest of them. Right, so what we need to do is we're going to have to go to our request.php, which is an application. We're going to have to create a new class request. So the request class is just basically parses all that for what we want. It's going to need some properties. It's going to need a private controller, needs a private method, and a private args. Let's just give it a constructor. Let's instantiate this in our index.php. Oops. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do parts equals explode. We're going to explode on the / server request URI. So we'll create parts. So we've got an empty element here because of the first thing. So what we're going to do for that is we're going to do parts equals array underscore filter parts. Check that. There. So what we need to do now is just assign controller to the private controllers and whatever. So to do that, we're going to do a ternary operator. So if current, I'll just put C for current, equals array underscore shift parts, then we're going to assign it to current. Else, we're just going to fall back to index. So let's pre-out our request here. So we've got controller. So now we'll just duplicate the line. Now I'll do it again. This. Now we'll duplicate the line. And arguments, we'll just give it the rest of the parts array. Else it's going to equal a regular array. Oh, is that like right? So we've got our method and our arguments and our controller. The reason I've done this is because there's some issues when it comes to getting the parts out, so this is the best way to do it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get some getter methods. I'll do the rest off the recording because I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to do it for the rest of them. So I think that's all for the request class, and in the next episode we're going to look at how we're going to pass the request object to our router. Then hopefully we'll get some routing going on to controls, and I think then we'll be finished. So again, our source files will be on GitHub, so if you go to github.com/. Yeah, so the framework is there, so if you want to fork that and we can build it together or whatever, it's up to you. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll make another video soon.